What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to actually be talking about Shiba Inu and a pretty ridiculous forecast for the 5.5 cent price prediction via Watcher Guru. Never financial advice, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Now, Bitcoin holding pretty strong, honestly. The overall price action for BTC has been doing well. Over the past week, we saw some really nice inflows from the Bitcoin spot ETFs that brought our price action all the way down from 61,000 up to 67, and now holding pretty strong right around that $66,500 to $67,000 market cap. So things are looking good. ETH has been doing its thing, down about 1.4% on the day, still green on the week. Solana outpacing the rest of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, up 17.26% on the week at $170 per coin. After, of course, some of the news came out with FTX and how they're going to be making everyone whole that had their finances and money, especially the Solana holdings, on the exchange. But what we're here to talk about today is Shiba Inu. Pretty lousy overall in terms of price action over the past week. Kind of, again, just holding strong right around that 23,000 Satoshis. Overall price action for Shib, though, this year has been quite strong. After February hit, where we were actually right around 9,500 Satoshis, we went all the way up to 35,000. After we saw MemeFi kind of surge and outpace all other cryptocurrencies in the beginning of the month of March. Of course, a pretty strong descending price action ever since. But the question becomes now, when will Shiba Inu start picking back up and break its previous all-time high right around that 90 or 85,000 Satoshis? Meaning we need to see pretty much a 4x from current price or a 400% increase to get back to all-time highs. I do believe it's going to happen, but sometimes it's cool when you see these types of articles. Shiba Inu forecasted to hit 5.5 cents, and here's when. It is not new for Shiba Inu to stir up a wave of speculation in the global cryptocurrency community. Despite recent gains, Shib's price has slipped back into the red, leading to mixed market sentiments and uncertainty about its future movements. At the time of press, Shib was trading at 24, which now actually at 24,000 Satoshi still. And it says here, the latest excitement centers around Telegon's optimistic forecast at Shib's price for 2024 to 2040. According to Telegon, Shib could reach a peak of 0.089 cents, a significant jump from its current value. The most intriguing part of the prediction is the possibility of Shiba Inu hitting the 5.5 cent mark by 2040. So a lot of people question, is cryptocurrency as a vehicle something that you can invest into long term, or is it just speculation and short-term price action? Or could we see things like meme coins hold their value and continue to increase year over year for the time being and maybe become a part of people's retirement accounts? But look at this here. So for 2024, the max price they're saying is right around the minimum price around 42,000 Satoshis, which I think is quite conservative, all the way up to 60,000 Satoshis. And so from current price, you won't see that much of a upside, they're saying. But again, this is 100% based on speculation. They probably looked at charts, different analysis from the technical side to make these kind of predictions. But you could see pretty much some significant growth from 2024 all the way to 2030, and then a 5-year jump here to 2035, 2040, and then they're saying 62 cents by 2050. An average price of 89 cents per SHIB, and a maximum price of $1.06. While these projections have thrilled SHIB holders and crypto enthusiasts, it's important to remain cautious. The crypto market is highly volatile and speculative, of course they say. Prices can be influenced by numerous factors, including market sentiment, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. And I want to just touch on this last part here, because I think it's pretty well written. Factors influencing Shib's journey. Several key elements will determine Shiba Inu's path to 5.5 cents. Market sentiment is highly unpredictable and influenced by news, social media trends, along with broader economic factors. Regulatory changes such as new government policies on cryptocurrencies can significantly impact prices. Additionally, technological advancements within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, like ShibaSwap 2.0, by the way, which actually is getting ready to drop on Shibarium's layer 2. So that's actually kind of big. And decentralized applications could enhance the meme coin's value. However, It should be noted that reaching 5.5 cent milestone for Shiba Inu will be challenging. Therefore, it required resilience from its community and developers both alike. A lot of people tend to lean more on developer side, but remember, as a community, if you're not voiceful, if you're not showing your presence across different social media platforms, as we said here, one of the bigger influencers on meme coins and cryptocurrencies is the social media trends. So you got to make sure you continue trending. But again, that's how you continue to make sure that you're a part of the mainstay. Therefore, it is again, so not leaning towards only the developers, but also the community alike. Although the goal of reaching 5.5 cents by 2040 is speculative, one thing is clear. The future of Shiba Inu is bound to be exciting, unpredictable, and driven by determination of its supporters. While Shib reaching its target remains unpredictable, its presence continues to captivate the market. Now, a lot of people will say, what in the world is this guy talking about? Is he okay? 5.5 cents, meaning we take off that's not a 10x, that's not a 100x, that's not a 1000x from here. We're talking a 2000x price action moving forward. But remember, one of the biggest things that we need to make sure we understand is, of course, the circulating supply of Shiba Inu. About 50% being burned now, and much more than that, probably inching closer to 60 cents. Remember, a lot of the times we can't make these kind of assumptions that we'll see a 2000x return on any investment. But remember, what if Bitcoin does go to $1.5 to $2 million? What if Ethereum goes to $25,000 or $30,000? Where would that put everything else in this market, especially things with strong communities like Shib? Can we realistically see a 10x? I believe so. A 100x? 100%. I don't see why not. Can we hit that 1 cent dream? Also, I don't think it's far-fetched. It's just depending on the overall adoption and liquidity that continues to enter this market. And of course, coupled with significant, I'm talking significant deflationary aspects of Shiba Inu, and of course, continued burns to reduce the circulating supply, which will impact overall price action and holdings over time. So again, market is looking strong. We're seeing big things like this post here, 937 financial firms disclosing spot Bitcoin ETF holdings in Q1 2024. We're seeing big financial institutions. We're going to probably see a lot of big tech firms like Tesla putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet. I'm excited to see when Apple does so, Microsoft, multi-trillion-dollar companies. Because of course, overall, right now, the $2.4 trillion market cap for crypto, we're still pretty far away from where we once were overall, right? A lot of people tend to look at it as, oh, we're at all-time highs. Well, actually, if you look at it, we touched right around $3 trillion November 2021. So in terms of the difference of liquidity there's still about $800 billion difference between our all-time high market cap for the global cryptocurrency market versus where it is today. And even volume, we did almost spike to previous all-time high in the beginning of March with the Bitcoin spot ETFs leading the way. But I think, again, we do have a lot of things coming our way. Open interest is definitely increasing from where we once were. And I do believe that volatility will continue to ensue the cryptocurrency markets. But I think, again, interest is continuously going up, and we're going to continue to hopefully see movements only up overall moving forward. I appreciate your support. That's all I had for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.